Alright, well, welcome once again to another episode of Maths Phobia. As usual, it is our duty to simplify maths, alright, and make students understand that it is very simple, alright? So, we want to rekindle the love for mathematics in the hearts of students. Now, we started the journey on indices the last time, okay, and now we're looking at something special. So, evaluate the 16 raised to the power of 0.16 times 16 raised to the power of 0.04 times 2 exponent 0.2 or 2 raised to the power of 0.2. Now, how do we solve this? Now, looking at this, we have the 16, 0.16, 16, 0.04, 2, 0.2. Technically, now you'll be asked, there are cases where, okay, just use a calculator, all right, you get your answer. Okay, what if the calculator you are given is the jam type, all right, that you can put power, or this is a theoretical question and you are asked not to solve with a calculator. So how do you simplify this? Very simple. Now, the first thing we need to do, let's make all the numbers the same. And that's by we reduce this decimal to a fraction. So reduce 0.16 to a fraction, reduce 0.04 to a fraction, reduce 0.2 to a fraction. So that we're going to have 16, reducing 0.16, that's 16 over two numbers after the decimal, 100, right? Times 16, this is 4 over 100. And then times 2 over 10, because we have just one number after the point. Now, what do we do next from here? We now look at the base. For the law of indices to work, the multiplicative law of indices, for it to work in this question, it means we must have the same base for all numbers. So, we have 2, I have 16, I have 16. So, what is the next thing for me to do? Reduce this 16. Alright? Using what? 2 as a factor. So, that means 16 can give me 2 raised to the power of 4. Alright? Times 16 over 100. Then I have times 2 raised to the power of 4 again, 4 over 100. And I have times what? 2 raised to the power of 2 over 10. So what do I do from here? So I'm going to be having 2 raised to the power of 4 times 16. That's 64 over 100. Alright? Times 2. 4 times 4 is 16 over 100. Then times 2, that is 2 over 10. So we can now apply the law of indices. The law that states that if you have a raised to the power of b times a raised to the power of c times a raised to the power of d, as long as they have the same base, we can simplify this to be a, one of the base, take one of the base, then add the powers, p plus c plus d. So let's apply the same thing to this question. So I'm going to be having 2, we take 1, 2, 64 over 100 plus 16 over 100 plus 2 over 10. So I'm going to work your LCM method, using the LCM method to solve this. Okay? We are going to have to use the LCM as hundreds. 100, 110. The LCM will be 100. So we have 2. Are we there? So we use 100 as the LCM. 100 divided 100 is 1. 1 times 64, 64. 100 divided 100 is 1. 1 times 16, we have 16. 100 divided 10 is 2. It's 100 rather, sorry. 100 divided 10 is 10. 10 times 2, we have 20. So what do we have in total? We have 2 raised to the power. 64 plus 16 is 80. 80 plus 20, we have 100. 100 over 100. And that gives us 1. So therefore, we have 2 raised to the power of 1, which is 2. And that leaves us with option A. As simple as that. As simple as that. So thank you very much. Please like and share this video. So that students that are struggling with topics like this will see the simplicity in these topics. Thank you very much.